this though. I believe that if anything happens to me now, everybody will now rest. I didn't do it on purpose. That location, that particular place, people has been filming there for a very long time. Why it had to happen to me is what I don't know. Every morning I see myself on the prayer altar asking God, why me? Why me?
My country people, this Adamaluke story is so tragical. Make I play and make we self-watch. Make we pity and make we forgive am. I beg. He don't do.
We all love JP. We all love other people that also lost their lives. My crew members. I haven't visited Asaba in the past 2 years until that incident. When I wanted to shoot that job, I asked for a better location and they took me there. First time going there, I asked, what's up? Why are they not providing life jackets for us? Because we had to go see the place before we went for the main shooting. Then my PM told me that that is how they do it there. That a lot of people have been crossing, that nothing is happening, that they've been shooting there. I wasn't the first person that shot a movie there. They shoot there all the time. I wasn't even filming in the water. It was a means of transportation to the place. It's not like I did it on purpose. It wasn't even my duty, but I'm taking all the blame. I'm carrying all the cross. But please, Nigerians, I'm sorry. It has happened. I've been doing things. I don't even know what depression is until this whole incident happened. I'm gradually losing my life. I'm regretting a lot of things. I don't even know how to call people for job. I don't even know how to. Please, Nigerians, forgive me. Forgive me for employing people for job. Forgive me for... I don't even know what to say, but I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm losing my life. People are even saying I went on vacation. I'm here for business. I traveled to go help myself. I've been indoor doing nothing. And yet still catering for the families that lost their loved ones. Where do you expect me to get all this money from? I need to work. I need to make money. My baby was not... He's not even up to 3 months when this thing happened. You all can't even imagine what I went through. But please, Nigerians, forgive me. Forgive me.
More Nigerians, I beg, make we forgive Adamaluke. This thing don't happen, be say it don't happen, and we cannot bring back people we don't buy already. We all felt it when Junior Pope and others buy. I beg, she don't realize her mistakes. If now when she they prove stubborn, say no be her fault, blah 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 and all that, I foresee make we continue to dey drag her like I passed my neighbor's generator. But she self don't realize her mistake, can't take all the blames. I beg. I know say Junior Pope, wherever he is, will like us to forgive her. He don't buy, we say he don't buy. I beg, Nigerians, make we forgive Adamaluke. No be when we hear say she don't buy, we go start to dey cry. They say her dying no. I beg. Now where she dey alive, make we accept her. Yeah. I beg. Oh yeah, now guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.